The months of October and November are considered to be the most dangerous times for pedestrians when there's not enough snow to light up the roads and it's dark outside.
A new Anchorage law asks drivers to be even more careful. Lauren Maxwell tells us why.
Well, so far this year, 6 pedestrians have been hit and killed here in Anchorage, and police say they don't want to see any more deaths. They're warning drivers to be on the lookout for people crossing the road in places where they haven't been before. Under the new law, pedestrians no longer have to walk to an intersection to cross at the light. If they think it's safe to cross, they can go.
I think what drivers and other roadway users can expect is that people will be crossing the road at more places and perhaps less anticipated places. And that kind of puts a little bit more responsibility on drivers to pay attention.
Drivers need to stay alert, but police say pedestrians do too. For them, there's still a lot that is not legal, including darting out into traffic.
They still have to yield the right-of-way when crossing the road outside of a crosswalk. And when they're at a crosswalk with pedestrian signals, they still must obey those signals.
If there's a pedestrian overpass or tunnel nearby, pedestrians are supposed to use it. And legally, they can't walk in the street if there's a sidewalk there. Also, there are some areas that traffic engineers have deemed too dangerous to cross. Well, if you see a sign like this, you have to obey it.
Absolutely.
Police say it's everyone's responsibility to stay alert and keep the roads safe. Now, we should also mention this new law impacts bike riders. In some cases, they'll be able to cruise through intersections provided that there's no traffic coming.
So, Lauren, did police tell you how they plan to enforce these new ordinances?
Well, they've actually identified some areas of town where these collisions are more likely to take place, and they say they're going to staff extra officers there to be on the lookout, make sure that pedestrians are doing what they're supposed to do, and also that drivers are following the rules of the road.